welcome back to Keegan's Decor Corner. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell to receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. Now guys, today I am so super excited because I am participating in the fall DIY and decor challenge hosted by Christina, the DIY mommy. Hi Christina, thank you so much for hosting this seasonal collaboration. Guys, Christina does this for each season, and I have participated on several occasions, and so I did not want to miss out on participating again this year for the fall. So be sure to check my description box down below to go to Christina's channel to check out her video and all of the other participants. Alrighty guys, now I am going to be decorating my front yard and front porch for fall. The only caveat is, guys, is that it has been literally raining every single day. Yes, I'm like, oh my goodness, it is already in mid-September and I don't have any of my fall decor out yet. I usually put my outdoor fall decor out on the 1st of September. So my neighbors are like texting me saying, Kenya, are you okay? So I'm like, yes, I'm just trying to wait on the weather. So I did have to work around the weather to get my decor out, and I had to stop in between to get it done, and it took actually a couple of days of me putting it all together, but we got it done. So if you guys want to see what I've done, then just keep watching. So my husband mowed the lawn so that I could decorate the porch for the fall, and almost as soon as he finished mowing, it starts raining. So it is now later in the evening, and so we are probably not going to get much done today, but at least I wanted to show you guys that it did get mowed and how everything is looking. And I may try to get the pumpkins out at least, but I think I might want to trim back some of these potato plants a bit because the purple ones are standing taller than the green ones, and I really want them to spread out instead of growing tall. And they're doing the same thing over here too. So I may need to do a little bit of pruning and trimming before I start decorating. So, but you can see all the other flowers up here are doing well. And I did pick up a couple of mums from Walmart. They had these for $4 and these little ones here for $1 each. And you can see they're kind of beat up, but I thought that'd be okay because I'll just put some Miracle Grow on them and they'll be just fine. So yeah, so that's what I have as it relates to flowers. I did want something that was orange too, but they didn't have any. So at any rate, this is what the flower bed is looking like. Like I said, I'm going to trim everything up a bit. Some of them are ready to be cut back, like this is ready to be cut back some. And these are kind of overgrown. Everything is a little bit overgrown. So yeah, that's how things are looking. This is the porch. And we will get our fall decor out here, and I'm excited about it. Okay guys, so here are some of the items that I'll be using for the front porch. I picked up these really cute buffalo check pillow covers from Amazon. So here they are, and I did go ahead and put a pillow in one of them, and I think they're going to look super cute. I also picked up this cute little wreath from Walmart. It was $9.98. It is kind of small, so we'll see how it looks on the door. But I didn't want to have to make one this time, so I thought it was cute. I also picked up the matching buffalo check rug from Amazon. I did look for this at Hobby Lobby, but they were completely out. And it was actually cheaper on Amazon because it was only $10. And at Hobby Lobby, I think it was like $24, and then you got 40% off. But I also picked up this really cute little welcome mat from Burlington's, and it was only $6.99. And you can see how thick it is. So it's really cute. So I also have one fall sign from Hobby Lobby. I'll show you guys that in a second. But let's go ahead and get outside before it starts back to raining. So here are the other items that I picked up. This sign from Hobby Lobby that says Hello Fall on one side, and then the other side says Hey Friends. So I thought this was cute because I could use it after the fall season, like for the rest of the year. So it was, I think, $27 or $29, something like that. And then of course 40% off. So I went ahead and grabbed it. Also, I have these hay bales from Walmart from a couple of years ago. Actually, I'm not sure if I got them last year or the year before, but I never took them out of the plastic, and I probably won't this year either because I don't want that all over the place because it's going to make a huge mess. But I did pick up Scarecrows this year. Addison picked these out. These are not really my style, but you know what? He wanted it. So we have a little girl and a little boy Scarecrow, and they were only $6.84 at Walmart. So I thought that's fine. I get it since he asked for it. So yep, and then there's a couple of my pumpkins that I already have that I'll put out here on the porch. So yep, that is it. So let's go ahead and finish putting this look together. Okay guys, so here is how our outdoor decor has come together, and I think I am very happy with how everything looks, especially for the first round. You guys know how I like to do things. I put it all out, live with it for a couple of days, and then make any changes. So, but for now, I think I'm really happy. So I'll just show you guys all around the front porch and then the front yard. And these pumpkin pillows there I picked up from Walmart last year, as well as that pumpkin there. And I've just kind of mixed in many of the items that I already had with the items that I did purchase this year. So I decided to make a bow for the wreath that I picked up from Walmart with the buffalo check ribbon to pull that look up so that it would kind of go throughout the space. And so I really like how that came together. So I placed the scarecrows under the light fixtures. I'm not sure if they will stay there or not, but that's where they are for now. And I think the porch looks very pretty. So thankfully the rain stayed away long enough for me to be able to put out all of our pumpkins, and I'm really happy that I was able to get this done. I will probably add a few more florals or pillows to my bench on a day that is not so cloudy and overcast, but I think this is a really beautiful start to our front yard decor. So guys, I really love for our front yard to look like a pumpkin patch. I think it is so fun and so whimsical, and honestly, all of the kids in the neighborhood love seeing how I decorate for each season, but especially for fall. So leave me comments down below to let me know what you think. Okay guys, so I hope that you all have enjoyed this video, and if so, please be sure to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That helps me out tremendously. Also, again, if you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will be sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit that notification bell. Guys, you know we are on a push to get to 25,000 subscribers, and we only have 1,000 to go. So we're so close to the finish line. So be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video with any of your friends and family members that might be interested in decorating their home for the seasons. That's what I do over here. I love home decor, all things home decor, especially seasonal decor. So if you want ideas and inspiration, you are in the right place. Alrighty guys. Also, let me say a huge thank you, and welcome to all of my new subscribers, and thank you to my faithful subscribers, my faithful family members that have been with me through the long haul. I love you guys so very much, and I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.